Research design it is an arrangement of step. As I said earlier, research design, it is a blueprint of entire research. Like an architect is having a plan in his hand, the same way a researcher is having plan in his hand, it is called research design. It can have many varieties: exploratory, historical, ex post facto, descriptive, applied, analytical, fundamental. It has many varieties. Research design means it's an outline, it's a blueprint of entire research. A small definition: it is an agreement of condition for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to research purpose with economy in procedure. That means it maximum utilize time and money but makes the work smoothly. It is an agreement of condition for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to research purpose with economy in procedure. I'll give an example, practical example. Now in Tamil Nadu, actor Vijay appearing in Joy Alucas advertisement. The advertisement started with mother sentiment, then employee sentiment, sister sentiment, friend sentiment. There are many variety of Joy Alucas advertisement, but the celebrity is Vijay. The company is Joy Alucas. Why they are keep on changing the advertisement? If someone is asking as a student, we have to answer this question. The same way, dairy milk silk advertisement. Dairy milk silk advertisement, while traveling in a traffic jam, a girl is using, it's tempted by another man who is standing in the traffic jam. Dairy milk silk advertisement, a small school going children are exchanging dairy milk silk. All the couple, they are enjoying retired life, they are having dairy milk. Young couple, they are having dairy milk. Why they are keep on changing the advertisement? The answer is science student using lab for testing. We commerce and management students, we are applying in the real field. Introducing advertisement, removing advertisement, reintroducing advertisement just for knowing how much profit. Which advertisement gives more profit? We are testing in a real field. That is our research design. Now I'll give two examples. Does advertisement A cause people to remember its message better than advertisement B? Which advertisement it's give more? No, people are recalling. And next example is, does 10% increase in price cause an increase in profit compared to no price changes? So these are the example. Company is increasing the quantity of product with the same price, just they are testing the profit level. So research design, it is an agreement of condition for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to research purpose with economy in procedure. The research design, it has many type. These are the example of experimental research design. They are testing instead of lab in a real field. Experimental research design. Okay, now we'll move on to why research design. It guides the investigator. It provides systematic plan. It is actually a blueprint of entire research. It is a logical and systematic plan. It executes work smoothly, minimize effort, at the same time maximize the benefit of time and money. Advanced planning and analysis, it provides a reliable result. Now we'll see different variables used in research. The first one, independent variable and dependent variable. Independent variable, it is one whose change result the change in another variable. Independent variables, if for example rainfall, nobody can control it. Dependent variable, yield, which change in the relationship to change in another variable. The yield, it can be measurable, it is a quantifiable. Independent variable in analysis purpose, let me tell you, independent variable are our personal character, demographic variable, age, sex, caste, income, all are independent variable, nobody can change it. Dependent variable, customer demand, customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, company profit, all are dependent variable. So independent variable whose change result in the change in another variable. Dependent Dependent variable are measurable and quantifiable, and experimental and measured variable. I'll tell you example. Experimental, it is actually active variable. Measured, assigned variable. Students achievement. Students achievement, the result is measurable, but students, how they are utilizing library, availability of books, good teacher, use of visuals and tools, everything, it is an experimental variable. Students result achievement, it is measured variable. Teachers availability of books, use of visual, library, everything experimental, but students achievement is measurable. And next one is qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative, stress, integrity, honesty, character, everything qualitative. Everything qualitative variable. It is a discrete category rather than numeric. Quantitative variable, it is one whose value or categories can be expressed numerically. Example, sex, caste, number of students present, everything quantitative variable. How many students present in the class? Quantitative. How many students felt stress in the class? Qualitative. That is the difference. Next is categorical and numerical. It is similar to qualitative versus quantitative. Categorical variable, it should cover all potential range of variations: occupation, religion, caste, gender, etc. Numerical variables are, it's broken into numbers, either be discrete or continuous. It is a quantitative variable. Categorical variable, qualitative in nature. Numerical variable, quantitative in nature. The last one variable are extraneous and endogenous. It is a very important variable used in research. Let us see in depth in the next slide. Extraneous variable, independent variable may not be a part of the study but which affect dependent variable. We will take example of two. Number one, student. Student join in college for higher education, but the student is depend upon education loan. Education loan, it is a third party, but it influences the decision. It is an independent variable which affects student decision. And the second one is a consumer having good salary, so he wants to purchase a luxury car, but he depends upon the car loan. Bank loan. The bank loan is a third party which may not be part of study but it affects the dependent variable. Loan is an extraneous variable. Now we'll move on to next, endogenous variable. Endogenous variable, it's a simple variable. It is remain inside the system. Income determine individual consumption. Whenever the income is higher, the individual consumption level also higher. So consumption is endogenous. It's a simple factor. Dependent variable is endogenous variable. Extraneous variable, third party. It is not a part of the study, but independent variable which affect the dependent variable, that is extraneous. Now I'll make it clear. Extraneous, it is not the part of the study but affect the decision. Like educational loan, students may continue or may not continue. It depends upon the educational loan. Education loan is extraneous variable. Endogenous variable, whenever my salary is increased, my consumption level also increase. So individual consumption is endogenous variable. Now we'll move on to discussion questions, which is called blueprint of research. I hope you all know this answer. How do you differentiate extraneous and endogenous variable? You try to find the answer. If you have doubt, you please command me. Now we'll move on to recap. Arrangement of steps. A research design is called arrangement of steps. It is an actually outline. It specifies the source and types of information, where we are collecting, how we are collecting, what type of research, what are the hypotheses we are testing, how we are going to proceed, everything it covered in one research design. It is like a blueprint of entire research. Research, it has 10 variables that we discussed. No, that is very important variable. There are two, extraneous and endogenous. Thank you for watching.